Hi, I'm Coach Jay, and welcome to my channel.
Alam mo yung feeling na kahit pamilya mo, sila pa yung pinaka-toxic sa buhay mo? Yung tipong imbes na support, puro panghila pababa. This video is all about spotting toxic people in a Filipino family setting, paano sila gumalaw, at paano mo sila ma-shutdown nang hindi ka nadadamay sa drama. Stay tuned kasi baka ikaw mismo, victim na ng ganitong cycle.
Hey buddy, just a quick one. If you like it here, please subscribe and follow me for more videos.
Toxic family members are the ones na parang may PhD sa guilt tripping. Lagi silang may comment, kahit hindi mo hinihingi. Kapag may achievement ka, imbes na congrats, may kasunod na pero or dapat ganito. They thrive on control, manipulation, at yung classic na utang na loob card. Spotting them is easy. Sila yung laging may issue kahit wala naman, sila yung mahilig magpa-victim, pero sila rin yung nananakit. They'll make you feel na ikaw ang mali kahit sila ang mali. What do? They drain your energy. They make you doubt yourself. They'll compare you to cousins, siblings, kahit kapitbahay. And the worst part, they act like it's normal kasi pamilya yan. So, paano ka makakalabas? Pinoy way. Learn the art of passive resistance. Smile, nod, pero huwag kang magbigay ng fuel. Kapag nag-start sila ng drama, huwag kang sumali sa script nila. Kung kaya, limit your time with them. Hindi porket family, kailangan mong tiisin forever. How to shut them down? Simple. Call out the behavior, not the person. Sabihin mo straight, hindi ako komportable sa ganyang salita. Or kung hindi kaya, silence is your weapon. Kasi minsan, the loudest clapback is ignoring them. At the end of the day, dealing with toxic family is about protecting your peace. Hindi selfish ang mag-set ng boundaries. Self-preservation yan. Family is supposed to be your safe space. Pero minsan, sila pa yung pinaka-dangerous sa mental health mo. Brutal truth, blood doesn't excuse toxicity. Kung hindi ka nila kayang respetuhin, then you owe it to yourself to walk away. Kasi kung patuloy mong tinitiis, ikaw ang nauubos. So the real question is, hanggang kailan ka magpapakain sa laso ng pamilya kung ang kapalit ay sarili mong kapayapaan?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more videos.